Hey, welcome to Peculiar Sawdust. I'm Andrew. I'm going to do another tool review for you. This one is over the Critter Air Spray Gun. This is the best spray gun on the market. It's about 40 bucks on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description down below. It runs off of compressed air, so you will have to have an air compressor to use it, but it runs about, I think they recommend that it runs about 60 psi. I run mine at about 90 because it's the same that I use for my nailers. This thing will spray oil-based paint. You don't have to cut it. It will spray latex paint. You might need to cut it a little bit, but it'll still spray it. It sprays brushing lacquer, polyurethane, regular paint. I mean, this thing is a beast. It runs off of a siphon tube that runs down inside of a regular sized mason jar, so you can have a dozen different paints all stored in mason jars that you can get at the grocery store super cheap, and just put the cap on it, set it aside, use it later. Or if you want to do a second coat, put the cap on it, clean up your spray gun, keep going. But I'm going to show you in a minute how it runs. When you're done spraying, you wipe down the inside with a paper towel, you run a pipe cleaner through the siphon hose, you're done. Super easy cleanup, super easy setup, easy replaceable jars, the best. If you're a DIYer, you're just getting into spraying, this is super, super easy. It's cheap. It's the best. This is the one to get. It's called a Critter. Again, I'll put a link in the description. I am going to run this thing and let you see what it is. Let you see how it works. Okay, I'm only going to spray for a little bit because if I keep going, the air compressor is going to kick on. All right. Get the air hose out of the way. Ready? And I'm done. Super quick. It doesn't do precision work real well, but man, if you got a medium project or a smaller project, this thing it's the way to go. I'm doing cabinets right now, cabinet doors. I might even string line way up into the kitchen, and I might use it upstairs. I don't know, haven't decided yet. Probably not. I think the wife would be upset if I had a bunch of overspray all over the cabinets. Anyway, just a quick tool review. Again, it's the Critter. I'm Andrew for Peculiar Sawdust. Might want to consider picking one up. These things are great. Let's get to work.